Kwanza akwaba.
Me must back wa America ne say.
Yeah.
Ye kan nyina no. We say who say osora no pa bia na you need to exercise your body.
That's true.
So nti me dey nchia kese be ma
Akoma FM.
I will crow from
Mate.
Braki ene ora ene junior.
Thank you. Your time is 20.
No. Omo enye that gym
thank
work.
You. We are done with gym work. Jidi say Ghana for because so I gym work. Momre Raphael pen mama na. Ate for mo share on Onia TV. Obetimi do message you know Abraham your Facebook page. Now I a part of the discussion. Nothing or any comment. But Raphael, mami tio address to the president on agenda 111 and other issues. Mami tio.
Kofi dedi kan my fanchi akese ma yetie for
Akoma FM.
For
na Kofi asante so Kofi ma official pa.
Me hu
Only the production team. Me akohene. Any union ho fefo mo production room honom. Na assemble akon this year I think me tia manage ye nua JB nso a. Kofi ho Akoma any ebusia kaka.
Such a fantastic.
He's a very fantastic, deep guy.
You
said that me frɛ na mani age ba. Jidi say my idea.
Sure.
JB is a very solid guy.
Yeah.
Timoma na ninka ofia na.
Nani akana.
Me da say matesa. Dr. Brenya. Dog na ho ye de. Dog sabri eyes here koko politics here. Dog me musa was.
No.
Go to the roots.
Doctor no.
Kofi dog me so na ye nyima nko street duru so anu aka basis no. Kofi me gidi say dog ansa na nko be koko politics no. Na so obusa cost of woman na wo asafo ne say for the past 4 or 5 years dumso na it say
I see
eno na ye transformation and transformative because ya tana krom ha no mo adok ye ma me no wo asafo market John Mahama wa wo man panyin dada NDC mo leader na mo gini die no for 4 years dumso ye ma me no mo kwa asafo a o mo de fish no be gu o mo yi asako to agu yenuanom babafo a omu yitire ukoko sala no ho no no so say ura babrin saloon na akobu sanse for the past 4 years onya kanea de yitire no aka cho say ai na ado dan kwakufu ado ba e de minya kanea de yimiti ufri koko ura ne ho no na so sa akọ magazine na akobu sa magazine for mrantie na omo ho ne say for the past 4 years omunya kanea de ye adwuma e wo magazine na magazine for na aka cho say ai na ado dan kwakufu ado ba e de nya kanea de ye adwuma magazine no asa akoma na omo ye tire ene omo pam ade tailor for ma ne ho no omo so aka che say ai na do ba ye mfie na ye ye nya kanea de ye tire ye de bi pam ade eno na nka wo betena hai na ade wakotena akopɛ kokko bi anom ade ache o se Ghana ha de kumasi ade kokko ni masa ne bofro to de edura no pa enum bi o kopɔ bofro to bi anom na oba ne ho fe na ne di nkoma no de abetena radio so eno no ensesa economy o tabrenya ba bi twam ho sa propaganda politics na first ye nam skejeti ha ye hu so oba bi kura ma ya fi na mo heda akotwe mo sa record na mo de ahye nipa abufuo o se na ye nuanom zongo for sa strategy na twam mo jai zongo politics amaria ne ma ya fi politics afa mo de atiasi kokom ya chimo ba bi aduro no e serious politics serious policies and programs abetra na koko one man koko no Dr. Brenya ye ni apiri o mo fa adwene mo man alternative e de na the NDC na nyame ya adom na mo sa ba bi wa free SHS mo betwa mo ana mo beto aso one district one factory na ye sha ase mo betimi ato aso ana say teacher training allowance emire mo twa mu a na do na kwakufu ado ne MPP dia ba mo be say twam nursing training mo be say twam ana say teacher fo a na ye kira de afia no mo twa e kabo so memiensa mo be ne den sansem no naka Nija koko ni masa semwa anopasi kwa betre beka koko ni masa.
Ma mpeke Dr. Brenya feedback akra. Doctor,
woni feedback.
Doctor, a quick one na fe started the main issue.
That is one of the major problems of democracy in Africa. Obia ba ti said Raphael King. Yeah, mu yese. Ni ya ba be yese. Continuity. I accept to say ebia Ghana for na to abase. Ebia NDC time no. O my fam there. We are going to be in here. Take over. But that idea say, over be making references say, and now wait. These are not the things we need now. Yeah, per continuity. But okay, electricity, if they don't know, the bomb won't some running. But the problem of doing something, your mama survey, and so don't be take you over.
Okay.
That idea of say they were only leveraging on the actions taken by John Mahama.
Thank you. Kwanzaa, yeah, share the primary discussions. E-levy approved. Panacea for your current economic hardship now. So now, over 10,000 a year kilometer of roads constructed. Reality and as a myth. You share my gun and more. I will see the roads. Why the roads? The baby we are now dealing with the BC placement and a few other issues are abound. But yeah, picking the President's State of the Nation address. All issues are okay from Agenda 111 to the roads are one constructed, and of course, you beat my link to that of the e-levy. Mamintio.
Yeah, Kofi, you better have for us now. Yeah, that tea for so.
I'm coming started with Dr. Brenya.
I'll start with
I started with
e-levy first.
Yes.
We do a program, but we can say, you pass e-levy.
Yes.
Now, my special can say illegal passage.
Oh, okay.
Because even though, in theory, almost you pass it, but passing a democratic dictatorship passage.
It's been contested until the court prove otherwise. For now, we take it. Say it's passed.
Because Akoma fast on pass e-levy, because of time factor, me person can't say baby, but the antics surrounding it, inviting some parliamentarians to go to the North Tamale for coming presidency. They invite you. Now, even business of the week, I'm farming. Business of the week, if I say activities somewhere for the following week, I'm farming. All of a sudden, bang.
Let's assume some are passing. Is it going to solve your problem?
I'm passing. The e-levy is not going to solve our problem. But type man, and before passing e-levy, I'm up say,
I see.
A minister for roads. Okoja parliament has no kind. Nyamina me kind. Or say pass e-levy na. It will give room normally. Ako siya wawa. Ako JBC. So at the end of the day, the problem say yes, solve problem. I'm saying we should not go for loans again. We are still going to go for loans. In that understanding, Scandal said they will e-levy. For this year, they
for now we're looking at 4.5 million.
4.5 billion.
Yes.
Sika NPP4 did for the past 5 years. Sika 4 months. Even in the COVID era, Sika 4 months. And then 4.5 billion.
We spent 17.7 billion cedis.
That is what they are saying.
On
COVID.
Yeah.
But when even you do a critical analysis, a documentation, and sound correct and match it. I don't know. See, I'm saying, you bunu from 2 angles. One from the presidency and one from the ministry. Because whatever documentation they are bringing, ministry they are they are different from what comes from the presidency. This shows you say there's lack of coherence. But I know they have financial. But as sure as I'm the man say he left Noah Ebano. And yes, I about this kind of day BBO. And ya bisiabo and omdi he left Nukosia Wako Chese. Busumi Biana, Fabiano, ye benyas case. The Mumoya Bessia never yet the person. But the Amisan say he left no baba. Whether legal or illegal, the issue is in court. Let's go to the court. But as a court to Kurama Quine, never. And I'm beginning to feel say the possibility say a very versatile, a very less. Ask me why. Because I not that I doubt the integrity and the competence of the Supreme Court. I know the Supreme Court in there, they will do their work very well. But don't share your democratic type now and the government so much power to do certain things, even to the extent of appointing Supreme Court judges now. I'm beginning to feel say there might be a sign of allegiance to the appointee. Bonibaka said bootlicking. But I don't doubt the competence of the Supreme Court. That notwithstanding, I don't blame the president. I blame the initial developers of our constitution. The constitution, and more power, so much power to the president to say. Virtually everybody comes under his feet. Into the Obekano, a year Juma. Let's look at a practical example. What him say? Governments all over, all my try say, universities, so much influence. But because say the system of appointing the vice chancellor Abiding needs so much power. No? Universities have not been influenced so much by government. I'm not only talking of the NPP government, all other government. It will be down to say Supreme Court. Yakwa ombeti university. See a reverse you, a travesty of justice and travesty of democracy. Because kwa pass a bill. And yet, Bruni Beka say uncouth. And yakwa papa.
Saying or minority position with now e-levy on.
Oh, the e-levy people have started repositioning themselves. Say what they said. And say, I'm out for your panic withdrawals.
At
their mobile joints. It's unfortunate. But education, and go through. Now because of the level of imposition, in the e-levy, I'm out for papa. No more who send your echo. What is going to happen is we are going to pay tax. And there also be a once the e-levy has been passed, we are going to pay tax. That's why we're saying, and percentage so
much so up to
about 1.5. Let me tell you, when you say e-levy, that particular levy, a elastic levy. Elastic levy, people can use other options. Say, Oshana Misika, Akoma mobile money, there are other options. And you can see a starting at a certain low percentage. Now encouraging, once I say, a 12-year to I'll say, I'm out for ya, Peppa say, on bed, Omubetia. But unfortunately, research done under this e-levy, by even Omakasa, so-called affiliates, university affiliates, Methodist University, about 90% of Ghanaians e-levy.
Where affiliates are all
Methodist University, vice president, the economic policy.
Vice president go to
Ashashi.
He has never been to university before. But the fact is, all called there.
Ashashi for research, about 90% of Ghanaians don't support e-levy. If you have a camera,
what advice to the NDC? Should you come to power 2025? Say e-levy.
But we have said it. If we come to power, the e-levy will be cancelled.
Oh, I see.
Because a retrogressive tax.
I see.
And I'm telling you.
That is very interesting.
That will be one of the greatest things that NDC will do. Because we have vehemently opposed e-levy in its current state.
And the buyer, I'm
I'm talking from authority.
And this is on record.
It's on record. Because the e-levy is a lazy man's approach. It's a lazy man's approach to collectors. But unfortunately, the MPP government of the day, they should go to the ground. Say America Rafa say on what he came who okay. But don't fruit now I interaction. With the movie I'm off a camera and sick room. Namubisa e-levy. And you see the response that the ordinary Ghanaian industry.
Dr. Mamena was it. Mamena Rafa.
If you doctor, umunya is a propaganda politics no man. Doctor to shoes was your politician come over bomb. No doc.
Mr. Cameraman. Maybe I'm better man.
Doc. Me dem no radio na yes am on kasa. Tie doc pem history dog tie. Pem history kakra na busa mase wo mabuno no ho. So okasa bi sie din se de ase de me di doc untie ase de me di to no. So okasa me tie din se de me di to no. Untie agron sa na tie. Okasa me tie din se de me di to atwi me no. Me hwe odin na wo ka won se wo tie ase